Hello everyone, I am an actual human woman and today I am going to give you some life lessons for you. Yes, you. Okay, ready? Let's learn. I was told it is much better to be seen than heard, but no, this is wrong. Be heard and not seen. Yes, this is much better. We will have to cut bonuses if we want to keep our company car. We should pay people and not have the company car. This is a much better idea. Who said that? You did. Well, okay, let's do that then. Blue one, pink one. People get told what they are when they are a human baby, and the doctor got it wrong. This is okay, but some people get very angry about it, which is because their parents do not love them. Lol. Except my friend, Claire Marbles, who thinks she's a dog, but really she's just a pervert doing cosplay. Woof. Lol. Some people claim to have taken the red pill, but the side effects are being a knob and not really understanding the matrix. Lol. Some days your radio will break and you can have this life hack. Ring the doctors and have hours of free music to dance to.
You are number 97 in the queue.
Do not ring this number if you have a tummy ache though, it is not very helpful. You will get lots of letters as you get older and it is right annoying. Some say final demand but they are lying and it isn't really. You can use them for paper mache. Here is one I made earlier. Or use it as scrap paper for big ideas. Some people are scared of spiders but they are really reliable friends. Hello spider, I am quite sad today. I'm sorry to hear this. Tell me your problems. These are my life lessons today. I hope you have learned and I have liked learning you. Here are a few feminine thoughts to end for. Hair clap. Cooking. Flair.